Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio. Welcome, welcome. I have a little quick journal share to here today. I just wanted to show you these little mini envelope journals. If you remember a few weeks ago, I made a set of three with photographs of ladies on them. And the person who bought that asked me to do three that had a botanical theme. And she wanted three different colors, a green, a purple, and a blue. So I'm just going to give you a little brief look-see at these, just to show that you can also do these little mini journals in a botanical type of theme. So we'll start here with the green one, and it has a little bit of crocheted green lace at the bottom, a little bit of cloth stuck there, more lace on the side. And here we have a lovely card with butterflies. One of them, of course, is green. And I think this is from the Graphic Series Premium site. And these, of course, is the tea stain paper inside. This is a Tim Holtz ephemera piece, one of his large field notes or something like that. Got it, I think, about a year ago. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to write something on that with a little wing sticking out there. And I think this is also from Tim Holtz, one of his collections. And just a little tag sticking out there, and then inside is a journaling card with a little tab on it. And this is from Ephemera's Garden. I'll just put that later. And then in the back is another little journaling card. And I tried to emphasize the green wallpapers, or the color that each theme was about. I tried to emphasize that color. And so here's the blue. Some fabric. This is a brad, kind of a fancy looking brad that I just put through the lace and cloth before I glued it on. And a little bit of lace. Okay, and then inside here is another really nice butterfly card. I'm going to link down below how I assembled these little journals, just in case you missed that particular video. And here we go with some little tiny pieces inside this pocket with another. These are from Melina's, her store, and I forgot her full name, but it starts with Melina. I'll link down below her shop, but she has wallpapers in different sizes and different ways to buy them, either full sheet or cards. And here's this beautiful blue bird. And I can't remember where I got these. Maybe I will link down, if I look them up and think of it, I'll link where I got this set of bird ephemera. And this little cute dragonfly in the back. And then here's the purple. Now the purple one was a little challenging because I don't work with purple a lot, so I didn't have a lot of purple ephemera. And this postcard is from Ephemera's Garden, one of her kits. Did have a purple button. And some legs, and some lace around here. And then here's another one. Love hydrangeas. This is from Ephemera's Garden as well. And of course the papers and some more little tiny pieces of ephemera. There's a hyacinth there. And inside here is one of those wallpaper cards. And on the very back, and this is from Ephemera's Garden, some purple there. This is a little purple, it's more blue, but I thought it had a little bit in it. So anyways, those are the three little mini journals that will be sent out. She's probably already received them by the time this video goes out. Hope you like them, Cindy, so anyways, I just wanted to share that with you. And thanks so much for viewing, and we will talk to you real soon. Bye.